So first we checked into one of the hotels. This was Shantiniketan Resort in Taki. We got a ground floor room, and the best part about it was that the room was not used before. So during the COVID times, the workers were putting new bed sheets and covers. In the balcony from ground floor, we could see the Ichamoti river right in front of us. I think the view would be better from the first or second floor.
কোয়ালিটি সব ভালো। আর একটা আছে 100 টাকা পিস, রং উঠবে না। বন্ধুকে দেবেন, আপনি বলে দেবেন রং একটাই উঠবে, রং একটাই উঠবে না, এরকম আপনি রং বসে রাখেন।
These are the famous gamchas from Boshirhat, which is believed to be 100% cotton, and 2 gamchas were around 100 rupees. There were also lungis and gamchas from Bangladesh. Now is the time to do a little bit of sightseeing by Toto, and as I've said in part 1 video that Toto was the only means of transport in this area for tourists because of the narrow roads, and obviously due to Toto we could get a very cool winter breeze and it was lovely. This is a very old Ghoshbari's Thakur Dalan. It is a part of the Taki Rajbari which is demolished, but every year the guide told us that the Ghosh family would come from the city and conduct the Durga Puja specifically here as a ritual. This is one of the many brick factories in Taki. Later in the video we have a detailed tour of the factory. So this is the place from where the soil is taken for making bricks. In Bengal it's called the Poli Mati. There is the brick factory. There's more amount of the same soil. And there in front of us is the Mohona, or confluence of 3 rivers. That is Ichamoti river. This is Kalindi, and here it's Bidyadhari. At night the water will flow here on this part, and also channels are made so that water can go into this region and help in making more amount of this kind of fertile soil with which they will make more bricks. On that side is the Bangladesh border all along the horizon. There's strict security force guarding this place. That side though is India. So the river is that this is the international waters which is cutting through 2 lands. This side is India, this side is Bangladesh. All these are the bricks made from that Poli Mati, waiting to be dried and used. We can see few paw marks on the bricks by some animal. This will be discarded. This heap of bricks are the broken bricks or damaged ones which will not be used for making houses. There are heaps of these types in many places. They are breaking the coal for the furnace. My first experience of going up and eat bhata. Let's try our luck if we can see the furnace. So I came to know that all the eat bhattas are built at a certain height so that the raw bricks could be arranged beneath that, and then the fire could be lit, which is the furnace. Here in front of us we can see that the ash colored raw bricks are arranged, and once that empty space is filled, they will put in the fire. And the way towards which we are walking is already the burning furnace, where the raw bricks are burning to give shape to new bricks which can be used. These places is the place where the fire is underneath. Yeah, this is the furnace 10 feet deep, and it cannot be captured in the phone, but it's like fire flowing like water inside. And under all these covers, there's the furnace. In fact, the place where I'm standing on, there's fire underneath. Beneath this entire surface is the furnace. We are standing on the furnace. In fact, only that place had those metallic caps in that place from where we could see the furnace. But there's always a chance of landslide happening. So it is advised that common people shouldn't venture in this place, which is little elevated from the land, on their own. Now we will see how the bricks are arranged. These are the raw bricks, and once the entire place is filled up, they will close it from the top and start the fire. So we just saw Mohona. We both had our tour in waterway and the land. So now we will be heading home. We had a very good day today, a weekend tour to Taki.